If your CapCut templates are stuck at 51% on your iPhone and leaving your edits on hold, most users get frustrated here without knowing the reasons behind it and also the simple fixes. This usually happens due to slow internet, app glitches, or server issues. In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut templates stuck on loading screen on your iPhone. Let's fix it right now. Before we start, make sure you have a strong internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear app cache. Open up the CapCut app. Then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Clear Cache below. Then tap Confirm. And it's been cleared. Solution 2. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Now go ahead and try using templates again to see whether it's loading or not. If it's still stuck, then try the next solution. Solution 3. Check App Update. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type the app's name. Now find the app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. And now check whether it works or not. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.